What it is, what it do, welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the channel. So I literally just got off work. I am heading to the shop because there's some work that is about to take place on 7. Yeah, and I gotta drop her off there. I'm actually gonna use Chich's car to get back and forth to work for the next 2 days. Things that are getting done on the car, a lot of this is gonna get done in the background, but I definitely wanna show you what's being put on today. It's so sick, so check this out. I know that I said that I was going to get catted downpipes, but when the opportunity dawned itself to actually go for the catless, I'm like, you know what? I want to make a little bit more power in the mid-range, low end to mid-range. So why not go with the actual catless? Now, their catted downpipes are going to come out next month. Be on the lookout for that. But yeah, their downpipes are out. And I mean, you're talking about quality. 034 stainless steel. These are straight down, so you don't have to cross over like the stock will, so it saves a little bit more room. Let me grab one. So I know a lot of people are looking at the quality of it. You know, this is, again, quality TIG welding. I think this is 3.5 inch that tapers down to 2 1/4. Then 2 1/4. I have the mid pipes for that, so I'm gonna be putting those on too. They told me that there's more to come before I jump back in the car and get going. Another thing, you can get a set of their down pipes and mid pipes for sub $1,000. Anyway, yeah, let's get going because there's so many cars on this road. Let's pop some young. I am so excited about the fact that my downpipes came in. All right, finally made it to the shop after 2.5 days of driving. Oh, there's a short guy over there, the short son's over there.
What do you do?
What it do?
What it is.
What it is.
Why are you using a GoPro, not your camera?
Because I had to work. I couldn't stick my, no. Yes, yeah. I didn't want to leave my big camera in my car while I was at work. At least the GoPro, I can actually conceal a little better. But, you know, someone that actually don't shoot videos wouldn't know that. Car's out front.
Why?
Because I'm leaving it here. Oh, someone decided to go with the blue S5. Is that you? Are you copying?
I ain't copy nothing.
Because my calipers are blue.
Yeah, no, I use the same can too.
Look at that, man. Just taking advantage of me, dude. Like, what the hell? I'm coming back after gymnastics class because, you know. What?
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 Who?
Who? Who did what and for how much? Don't you like how little people always disappear first? I know, right? Whoa! He meant little people, not the M word. Not the M word.
No, everybody else is little people. Shorty's.
Okay. All right, so I had to jump over to my phone because my GoPro's dead. I was supposed to go home, but I was told by the wife, stay at the shop. Anyway, this is what's going on now. Yeah, so Chich is basically taking the junction box off because this false firewall has to come out in order for these downpipes to come out. Now, Audi, I don't get why you decided to crisscross these. That doesn't make any sense. Well, I guess it does make sense because these the cats are the size of house cats, essentially. Yeah, biggest cats in the world.
Wow, that was a good one.
I know, right? Yeah, this came right off the top of the brain, dude. You know, like, you know, I get creative.
So popular.
But I want to say a big shout out. So Chich told me that this here has got a little bit of notoriety from a guy that just moved to Colorado. For one, welcome to Colorado. I don't know your name. I guess we don't know the person's name. Thank you for watching my videos. Keep tuned because this is getting worked on. This thing will be fired and running, and it's going to be the world's first SQ5 4.0 twin turbo, big horsepower. You know, all those big things, you know, that everyone dreams of having. So see, this is the joy of OEM downpipes, is that they cram it in there.
Oh no, they put this shit in when the motor's out.
I know, right? But
Has enough clearance to fit in there. That's
and they dare you to do it yourself because you run into issues like this where everything is falling in on itself. Good job. I still love you, Audi, but good job. Good job. Look at that cat. Look how big that is. Like, I get it, but that is massive. That's a lot of money there too. Okay, so while putting the downpipes on, I've noticed something about my tires that, dude, would you stop? Sure, people. I've noticed something about my tires, which is a byproduct of me lowering my car, which sucks. It means I'm gonna have to get new tires. I am getting, come on, focus. I'm getting really bad tread wear. So downpipes are installed. We are going to get a cold start to see what this sounds like. I'm almost terrified, but excited at the same time. So let's do it. You can hear that turbo spool up, settle down too. Oh my God, yeah. ARM, I love you. I love you so much, ARM. Yes. Yo, that sounds so good. I'm gonna have Chich drive it so I can see what it sounds like accelerating. Oh my goodness. So excited about that. Open up this door, yeah. That sounds good. No.